Hello everyone, welcome to this playlist Tech in 2 minutes, where I cover useful tricks and tips and techs in 2 minutes. So here in this video I'll discuss about the function named zip that is in Python. So you can see on my screen there is two arrays or lists. So names is containing all the names, and ages is containing all the ages corresponding to that names. Imagine a use case where you want to print out the names and ages simultaneously. So then you will have your conventional approach, that is using for I in range and then length of one of the arrays or lists, and printing out together using the indexes, right? But Python has this zip thing, so you can basically zip two arrays together. So what you can do, for name comma age in zip names and ages, that is these two names, and you can print name is that age years old. So this is just a string manipulation. So okay, I have to run this first, then run this, and Peter is 25 years old. You see the output, right? So let me also show you what this zip thing actually returns, so you can have a better idea about that. So names comma ages, and if I run that, so this zip function is literally returning a zip object that is iterable. So this is also helpful if you want to create a dictionary, like for example dict equals to, and I want to create a dictionary. So name and age, name age for name and age in zip. So this will be the syntax if I want to create a dictionary from it. And if I print the dictionary, yep, so let's run it. So we don't have to go through with it with the indexes value and all. We can easily use this zip function. So you can see how easy it is, and it's just an one-liner. And zip is not restricted to only two arrays. You can use multiple arrays. For example, we have three arrays here. Also the superhero names are there. So let's use the same thing. Yeah, and name years old, and is this superhero. So run this and you can see the output. So this is the zip function in 2 minutes. So subscribe for more videos like this, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.